How to change password in the Line application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to change your password on the Line app but not sure where to begin, here is how you do it. First of all, start by opening up the Line application on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're inside this settings menu, select Account and on the next page, select Password. Now enter your device's passcode to get to the next page. Enter a new password you want to change to for your Line account in the first field. On the next field, write down the password once again. Finally, click on Change Password at the very bottom in green and you'll be able to change your password for Line. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.